In a significant escalation of violence in the West Bank, Palestinians have reported a series of brutal attacks by Israeli settlers. These attacks, which have intensified over recent weeks, are contributing to the already volatile situation in the region. The incident on specific date, settlers allegedly targeted Palestinian villages in the northern West Bank, causing widespread damage to property and injuring several residents. Eyewitnesses described the attacks as coordinated and severe, with homes being set on fire, crops destroyed, and livestock killed. The Israeli military, present in the area, has been criticized for failing to intervene effectively to protect Palestinian civilians. Humanitarian impact. The recent wave of violence has exacerbated the humanitarian crisis in the West Bank. Many Palestinian families are now displaced, seeking refuge in neighboring villages or temporary shelters. The lack of immediate international response has drawn criticism from various human rights organizations, who are calling for urgent intervention to prevent further escalation. Political repercussions. These attacks have sparked outrage among Palestinians and have further strained relations between the Palestinian Authority and the Israeli government. The incident has also led to renewed calls for international sanctions against Israel, with critics accusing the Israeli government of enabling settler violence through its policies. Global reaction. The international community is deeply concerned about the rising tensions in the West Bank. The United Nations has urged both parties to exercise restraint and return to the negotiating table. However, with violence continuing to escalate, there are fears that the situation could spiral into a broader conflict. Conclusion. As the situation in the West Bank remains tense, the world watches closely, hoping for a resolution to the conflict. The ongoing violence underscores the urgent need for a sustainable peace process that addresses the root causes of the conflict and ensures the safety and dignity of all people in the region. This article highlights the urgent and complex nature of the conflict in the West Bank, shedding light on the recent escalation of violence and its broader implications.